Hold on a second. Small YouTubers are making millions with little subscribers and views, while YouTubers with millions of subscribers are claiming that they are broke.
I'm broke. I'm broke right now.
And now I'm broke.
So in today's video, I'll reveal a 4-step formula that you can follow. I don't know about making millions tomorrow, but you'll make a ton of money from that as a small channel. And I've worked with creators that don't have big following and they are making like 6 figures. But before we dive into that, I will show you the comparison and why these small channels are making more than these big channels. Alright guys, so we have the YouTubepreneur and then we have the YouTuber. The YouTubepreneur can have one view that equals to more than $10,000. What do I mean? Let me give you an example. Let's say you make a video and it has 100 views. From those 100 views, there might be one view that wants to pay you that money. But then we have a YouTuber that makes content with 1 million views and only makes $5,000. He makes less than the guy who has only 100 views. So how? Let me give you a comparison. The content strategy is simple. The YouTubepreneur, let's call them YouTubepreneurs, they make specific type of content for a specific group to solve one specific problem. Okay, and the content is value driven. Okay, they can just sit and talk and just generate a lot of money without crazy animations, crazy editing, high value productions. Not entertainment, just solution. And they prioritize quality over quantity, so they attract quality viewers instead of quantity. Let me give you this kind of example. Imagine you have the CEO of Google who watches your video, but you only have 50 views for video. The CEO of Google. But then you have a million views from people who are not interested at all in buying anything or are broke, let's say. So the CEO of Google can give you like what? You can have a service for him or coaching and he might pay you like 100,000. So just think. So the YouTubers though, they make broad content that produces a variety of videos, to appeal different type of audiences, to appeal everyone. They want to maximize that. And the education is general, like there's no much value in that, but it's just broader content. So you are more view driven if you're a YouTuber only. So you aim to get as many views as possible. You don't care about the quality of subscribers or views. You just want to get more views. And I'm talking about educational kind of content creators. I'm not talking about entertainment only. Could be the edutainment, for example. You like having a half, a mix. So the way the YouTubepreneur monetizes is with multiple income streams. So he makes money through multiple products like services done for you, done with you, like coaching, online courses, or digital like products like ebooks. And the offers are high value. Okay, you focus on selling high ticket items that is solving a specific audience. So that audience, if they see that, oh, this guy is the expert and he's the best at it, I'm gonna pay him a lot of money for him to solve my problem. Isn't that like logical? That is. But what does the YouTuber do? He just focuses on ad revenue and sponsorships and just like brand merchandise to fans. I'm telling you, educational kind of YouTubers do that, like sponsorships only on ad revenue. And what happens later? If they don't have a good video that doesn't have more than 10,000 views or 50,000 views, they become depressed. But the guy that is a YouTubepreneur, he has 100 views and he's happy, bro. He's just chilling. And the audience engagement as well. They build a deep connection that have a strong and loyal relationship because you're addressing specific needs and problems. And you have a lot of engagement rates of like genuine like comments and like, no, this was fun. No, like you really helped me. They like maybe like email you because that was so valuable. It helped them their businesses. So this is like high value engagement. And then personal interaction, because you are more available to that specific audience because it's a small audience. It's not a big audience that you can't like really connect with that audience. But what happens with the YouTubers, that they have a wide reach. So you have an audience with like diverse different kind of interests, and the engagement it's like depending on the topic, because one kind of audience will like this and they engage, but the other audience doesn't like it, so they don't engage. And there's a limited interaction. You can't, because you have a really big audience that you can't really focus on that one specific audience that you can have calls with them. And this happens. I mean, you can. I'm not saying that. Oh, listen, man. I'm not saying that you shouldn't have millions of subscribers. Of course, if you have a millions of subscribers and you have ton of value and you're a YouTubepreneur with a millions of subscribers, bro, you won the game, because you are a billionaire there. Maybe not. So the revenue stability, stable income. Okay, you're a YouTubepreneur. You will have a stable income because people will keep coming at you, and you will get bigger. Of course, you will get bigger, and bigger. People will refer you to others. So you're like chilling. Okay, and the customers are loyal. Okay, they will, like I said, they will refer you. They value your expertise, so you won't have a problem with money. And subscription models like communities, memberships, so people can feel more connected to you. What is the revenue stability of the YouTuber? Inconsistent. Like I said, if you don't have high views, then you in a month, then you like the revenue is like down. So you have to rely all the time on the algorithm, on the sponsorships, on the merchandises. So it's like stressful, because you have to keep thinking and ideating so much, while the YouTuber is chilling, like just making so much money, and you are crying. But yeah, so you depend as well on the type of video you make, because one kind of video won't have a huge CPM. So, bro, you're so stressed. While the YouTubepreneur, bro, he's vibing with his money. So, if you're convinced and you want to become a YouTubepreneur, let me give you the 4 step that you should be using. The five step. I said 4 before. So you have a bonus. All right. So first of all, you have to have a specific audience, a specific problem that you solve, and a specific goal that you want to take your audience to. So you find a niche. Let's say you are in the self-improvement niche. Go deeper, okay? Go deeper. Self-improvement. Go deeper. I don't know, like there's tons of sub-niches in the self-improvement world. So go deeper. Target a problem, okay? You in that niche and find a problem that sub-niche has, and define the outcome. You define the outcome that, okay, I will take them from here and they will get here with my solution. Then you have to be authentic and have a good will. Stop being a copycat, okay? Stop just copying everyone. Be yourself. Right now, I'm being myself. I have a good will to help people. I don't know why, but anyways, you have to have genuine intentions to help people. Don't just think about the money all the time, about the product, because that will bring you so much arrogance that you'll not be able to create a product that actually serves the people. Build trust. Help people for free, so you have some testimonials, maybe, let's say, or just give a free product so people will be like, wow, this is amazing, I want a paid product. And show empathy. Understand them, okay? Understand that their situation is difficult and you want to help them get there, to help, like, just leave that difficult situation. And give all the information for free. Give value content. Give value, man. Don't gatekeep anything. No, you sell the information. You sell the implementation. So you give all the information for free, because some people might have all the information, but it's so messy that they want a structured thing. Educate your audience, okay? Tell them this is exactly the exact tactic or step by step you should follow, and just give it for 3 months. Everything for free. They'll ask you some things, or they'll tell you, they'll just pay you at one point. They just pay you because you're giving so much for free. Look at Alex Hormozy, bro. People are getting fed up. They're like, bro, I want to give you money. So sell the implementation, okay? Sell a product once you give them so much that they feel obligated to give you. That's reciprocity. Explain the benefits of your product, okay? What's in it for them? What is the benefit of, like, buying that product, and what's gonna take them, where it's gonna take them. So make it as really, sorry, again, I don't know why and make it irresistible, okay? Make it like they cannot say no, man. They saw the offer like this is just the best offer I've seen in my life. And last point, make them remember you by how you made them feel. Okay? Don't make them remember you for what you did, but how you made them feel. So that's what's gonna make them coming back again. I'm gonna give you first, let me say, build an emotional connection and give over deliver exceptional service and memorable experiences. I'm gonna give you an example. So let me explain to you. This is Suleiman. Okay, he's another YouTuber. He's a client of mine, and the way he met me through Twitter, and he asked me if I'm building info products. I was genuine with him. I told him I never did it, but I can help you. And what happened? I was back then in Barcelona, Spain, here, and he was in Dubai. And we just built a connection. Every time we had calls, we just talked about our lives, and then we talked about the business. But he accepted to meet me because of how I made him feel. He was always comfortable. He was always trusting me. And look, we are smiling and laughing with each other because we are friends. And look, I even had like live showing him his product, his landing page that I built for him. And this is it. This is it. Make them remember you, and they will keep coming back. They will love you. This is it, guys. And if you want someone to help you with this, to help you with becoming a YouTubepreneur or build your digital product or scale it, then of course you have to book a call down below in the description so we can talk, a free consultation. I'll exactly tell you what you have to do. That's it. So take care. Have an amazing day. Bye.